Lecture 1. Prompt structuring that works every time. If your prompts still sound like casual requests, write a paragraph on something or summarize this, you're only scratching the surface. This lecture upgrades your prompting habits by introducing a framework-based approach. Today, you will learn how to give ChatGPT a defined role to frame its perspective, specify output formats that shape readable, task-specific results, and embed logic and constraints that align with your real-world objectives. So, you won't just ask, you will architect prompts that do exactly what you need. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to structure high-impact prompts using a repeatable formula, role plus task plus format plus logic. Write reusable templates tailored to content creation, analysis, teaching, or review. Refine ChatGPT's voice, precision, and scope without trial and error guesswork. Core techniques. Let's delve into the basic techniques of using ChatGPT. Role-based prompting. Set the right voice. Assigning a professional or task-specific identity makes a prompt more targeted and the response more aligned. Why it matters. ChatGPT activates different mental scripts depending on the role it's asked to play. Without a role, the system defaults to generic. Examples. You are an academic writing tutor. Evaluate this thesis introduction. Act as a customer support lead, drafting a reply to a frustrated client. You are a growth strategist. Suggest 3 actions to improve user retention. Tip. Use roles that match real-world jobs or mindsets, as it helps the model simulate the tone, structure, and priorities accurately. Format-driven output. Show what you want back. Don't leave output shape to chance. Be clear about how you want the information presented. Why it matters. Specific formats create scan-friendly, task-ready, and easy-to-use results, especially for emails, reports, lists, comparisons, or learning content. Examples. Summarize this policy in 3 bullet points. Present your answer as a pros-cons table. Write a 2-paragraph executive summary. For sharper results, combine the format with a specific role, such as a curriculum designer, create a numbered outline of this lecture using concise 1-sentence bullet points. Logic-layered prompting. Keep control. This is where you sharpen performance by embedding rules, limits, or exclusions. Why it matters. Rules reduce fluff, repetition, or hallucinated extras. They help ChatGPT deliver exactly what's needed, no more, no less. Examples. Use no more than 4 bullet points and keep each under 15 words. Avoid mentioning pricing, focus only on long-term benefits. Include only examples relevant to healthcare. This lets you simulate real-world constraints like word limits, client tone, or policy focus. Putting it all together, the prompt blueprint. Here's your repeatable formula for scalable prompting. Role plus task plus format plus logic or constraints. Prompt example. You just write a prompt in here as, you are an HR consultant. Review this job description for clarity and bias. Suggest edits in 3 concise bullet points. Do not rewrite the text, only suggest. And you just paste the job description in here and click on that or press enter. So here is the result. Power prompting is not about using fancy words. It's about giving clear structure and smart constraints. When you combine role, format, and logic, you reduce randomness, increase relevance, and turn ChatGPT into a powerful collaborator.